I'm just going to do a small magic to you all. Here I'm having a small hanky with me. What is the color of this hanky? Of course, gents, they cannot tell, but at least, ladies and, I think children also there, I believe. Yeah, what is the color of this? Silk, red, yellow, black, white. Ajay Agarwal is red. Red कोई बोल रहे क्या? चल और एक उनको peg. Red जो बोला उनको और एक peg उनको दे दो. चल now here I'm having a small silk with me, and 1 minute. Now here, nothing in my left hand and nothing in my right hand. I'm just passing this red silk with me here. Okay, I've just taken this small silk with one of the lady. She said, uncle, why did you do this red silk, some magic? Well, you're a lady and you're asking me uncle. Don't say uncle to me. You should say Mr. Magician. Then she said, okay, fine. Now, I've just taken this silk of her and then just, doing a small magic with you all. Right hand nothing and left hand nothing. Okay? And just, I'm passing like this. Now here, for children especially, you can see a ring, a small finger. For teenage girls, a ring finger. And for middle finger, for who do all fingering things. And forefinger and what the thumbs up and down. Okay? Now, nothing in my right hand. I'm just telling in the left hand, hanky, banky, gilly, gilly, chew. Thank you very much. So, no, really I appreciate that. At this point of time, still I'm getting applauses. So, Agarwal ji, abhi nasha nahi chada. नहीं तो अगर मेरा क्लैप्स नहीं आता था तो इनके लिए और एंड रियल आई एम टेलिंग यू द बेसिक हैदराबाद चैप्टर पीआरसीआई उन लोगों के लिए बड़ा तालियां देना है और इतने बढ़िया से 6 years दिस पुलिंग एंड ब्रिंग आउट इन दिस कॉम्पिटिशन फील्ड आल्सो a special applause to Ajay Agarwal and Gulat ji. Come on, give a good applause to them. That's good. Now here ये आजकल राजनीति हो, शतरंज खेलना हो, पत्ते खेलना हो, जो भी खेलना है, पैसे का मामला. I know, yes. So many of them asking me, सब कुछ जादू करो, ऐसे करो कि हैदराबाद में पैसे ही आना, पैसे ही आना, पैसे ही आना. Because all PROs are here, our business people are here, so everybody is expecting that. Really, I should say that after 2014, we'll be having a good business for everybody. All the PR people, advertisement people, and business people. So, before that, I would like to tell you all, before doing this money magic I can do only on the stage, but don't ask me, whenever I'm with you all or somewhere because way back when I started this magic 33 years back, I first learned magic only to multiple this money. And I fascinated with this trick, then I started learning this magic. After learning this trick, I started doing magic to all my well-wishers, friends, and everybody. And those days, at least, luckily, we didn't had, cell phones or pagers or something like that. Only we had a few landlines. And where on my visiting card, I used to have my landline and Sambal Venu Magician. And whenever they call up some public phone and all, and then my mother used to pick up, they say that, is there a magic man is there? No, he's not there. My mom used to say that. Then what do you want? She was thinking that, my son has got some program, it seems, so she'll take all the details and all. They said, no, auntie, I'm near the, one, what do you call that, big ice cream bandi. And where my friends asking me a party. So where this magic uncle shown me 3-4 days back one small trick that is multiple of money, 1 rupee into 10 rupees. In those days I'm talking about 84, 85. So he said, to my mom that tell me auntie how to do this because my friends, I called everybody here. I have only 2 rupees and I don't know how to distribute so many ice creams to everybody. And she said, no, boy, this cannot be done like this. It has to be done only the magic practice and all. So this kind of problem she used to face. And now after I got married, my wife told me, don't show this multiple of money. If you show that, then I'm the first person starting you trouble every day, morning to evening. Then I stopped that and I started, taking 100 rupees and, making 10 rupees. So now no phone calls, nothing. Including my wife also started, no, I don't want anything to you. Enough, I'm having 100 rupees or 500 rupees with me, it's enough. So now, in this August gathering, I would like to do a small magic trick with money because everybody is expecting that to do the trick. So I request a boy, a girl to bring a 10 rupees note from your daddy and mommy. Yeah. मैं अली को बुलाया तो फिर